Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over XRP. I haven't gone over that in a while because this is actually becoming an interesting deal here. I decided to investigate a little bit more thoroughly. And what I'm saying is, by the way, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, be really, really appreciated. I think that XRP here is it's setting this up. I'm not saying it's going to be anytime soon, maybe here in the future. Um, I would like to say that it's after Bitcoin finishes correction, but it doesn't always work like that. So somebody asked me about that on Twitter. An asset can bottom while Bitcoin is going down. It just, when Bitcoin kind of trends up a little bit, then that asset or crypto can actually go up into a wave, kind of like Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up into a wave and they can come back down all the way back where it was before, make like a little 1-2. And then once Bitcoin finishes everything and it's just hanging out in that area, and it can shoot up again once Bitcoin goes kind of to an uptrend. That can happen. And, timing things with Bitcoin when they're coming near a bottom or Bitcoin's coming near a bottom can be a little bit at times misleading because at times, like, for example, last time, like waiting for Bitcoin to do a bottom and I see Lido coin shoot out and it made this massive. I was in Lido and it made this huge run in like 2 weeks before Bitcoin was still trying to figure things out. So, just looking at these higher time frame charts, guys, on XRP, this is I'm going over some fib targets. I did say, hey, look, a $2.16 fib target, and I'm looking at higher time frame charts, the 6 months and the 3 months, and actually, guys, it's more like $3, maybe even $5 target up in this area for XRP, like this zone. Let me put that on a blue. That zone, a 3, just above this area, guys, that I think you might want to pay attention. It's really, really setting itself up for a shot, guys. I'm not saying you can do it anytime soon. It looks like it's going to be up into an uptrend for a little while. You go to a daily chart, and we take these gaps off once again. Fair value gaps. It's looking like it's going to go into an uptrend to this area. Okay, it's getting past that zone and maybe back up to that demand zone one more time. If it comes up to that demand zone one more time, it might bounce back down, guys. But this XRP is really starting to pique my interest. I'm not an XRP fan either, guys, but I see an opportunity, I'm going to take it. If I see an opportunity on any coin, I don't care what it does. I am going to take it. So I'm going to be checking it out. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be checking it out. I'm going to be looking at lower targets on potentially for XRP to maybe get back down to once it's finished up in this area. Because I told you Bitcoin is probably going into like a trend up and to the right, just ever so like a gentle trend, not like a moonshot or anything, up and to the right, probably the middle of the month. XRP could be doing the same thing. And it might make a shot up there to 58 cents and then come back down to these areas, especially, let me change that color right there. That'd be green. To this demand zone. There's a couple demand zones. It could come back down to these areas. And I might be setting myself up for a longer term trade, a trade with XRP, guys. Because if Bitcoin, so the XRP is telling me that more than likely Bitcoin is probably going to finish that correction in that zone. So let's go over to Bitcoin, right? So looking at Bitcoin here, it's 26,552. I'm on this chart right here, so I'm thinking Bitcoin come down. So I'm looking. There's a massive demand zone, a good demand zone right here for Bitcoin at a 24. I've been saying 28. So let me go to a weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. I'll show you what I'm looking at, making more sense of it. Because weekly chart is going to be a little bit, it's like a little bit less frustrating to do a weekly chart. So here it is at demand zone at 24,485, this area generally with a massive amount of support. Okay. But this 40-week moving average is going to go like that. Okay. Maybe it's going to go up a little bit higher or something like that too. But I'm expecting it to get onto there, maybe wicks below it in that area. I think XRP could be telling us that Bitcoin is going to be finishing in this zone. Okay. More than likely. I don't, if Bitcoin's coming down like this is this is going to be the zone, guys. Okay. Otherwise it's going to go into probably a counter trend. Let's say let's say it extends, right? Let's say this whole thing correction. So this correction is coming down at a minimum, more than likely, once it gets down there, right? Think about this. It's into this kind of like parallel channel. It's going to get to this zone. But what do they always do? If it's a continuation of the correction, there's going to be a counter trend at a minimum. Okay. So boom, and then maybe back down or something like that. But I think XRP is telling us that maybe Bitcoin is going to finish in this zone, guys. That's what I'm saying. Because this one right here, if it gets down to what was I saying, like that 37 cents? Was it 37 cents? Let me go back to a daily chart. Okay, yeah. So like if it gets up to 58 cents, if it makes a shot up to the 58 cents, it's going to come back down. These are going to be areas back down to the 51 cents and then 48, that zone right there, the 48 and also down to the 45 in that area for XRP, guys. So what I'm saying is that this could make a freaking shot. I don't know what's going on if institutional players are accumulating in this area or something obviously like that is going on, where this definitely could be making a shot like this right over here, guys. Bigger shot than this, more than likely a bigger shot than that. So I'm thinking like, let's take that shot, a 1-to-1 shot. Yeah, you see the 1-to-1 shot right there. It's right in that zone too. So yeah, guys, I just want to make you aware of that this is setting itself up, man. XRP on the 3-month chart is setting itself up to do a shot, in my opinion, all the way through there. Check the 6-month. If you look at the 6-month chart, I mean, look at that. It's setting itself up for a shot. I think this is going to be a shot. Like this monthly volume telling me that's more like a third wave, and then boom, it's setting up for a shot, guys, up in that area. It's going to have massive resistance right there at that $2 area. It's going to have all through these two, those gaps I have in there. It's going to have resistance at those areas too. Some are fair value gaps, some are supply zones where it'll be hit its head and then do maybe a retrace. But this could be going on, and what happened right here with XRP. If you take a look at that, let me go to a 3-day thing, and let's see this move that it made. How long? So it's just going to make a shot. This was what, January 17 to May 17. So that's January, February, March, April, May, 5 months. And then in here, how long did this last? May 17 to December, so 6 months. And then it just did a shot. So that's what it's going to do. It's just going to make a quick shot, more than likely, is what I'm saying, guys, with XRP. So timing the bottom on something like that, you could be a breakout trader and then like take the if you want on XRP. So what you could do is, I would say something. Yeah, I mean, you'd be a breakout. If this thing's going to break out, it's going to be in this area up in the 60 cents areas, guys. So I would say something like, it's already actually on breaking out a little bit out of that area, kind of like that, in my opinion. So yeah, guys, this is going to be an interesting move right here with XRP. So maybe it's time for it to shine once again, guys. Maybe it's time for XRP to shine once again and make that shot. I wouldn't be surprised if it is a 1-to-1 shot and it's doing some weird, maybe some sort of weird move in here, a 1-to-1, like boom, 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 like that. It could be, you know. So it remains to be seen, guys. But I think it's something you want to pay attention to. There's going to be a decent shot. And just going off the monthly candles, the 3-month and 6-month chart, that obviously that $2.01 is going to be, if it's up there, it's going to be a heavy take profit zone. But then boom, it can be getting up to $3 and 350s and breaking all-time highs, guys. And it could do it quick. It could do it quick. Just take a look at this candle right here. Just take this candle, boom. I have that candle right there. You can have a candle just like that. So let me grab that. Trying to grab that, you see? like that. One candle like that and a shot on XRP. All right, guys, if you made our way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.